We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Professor Shreya Oza, working as an assistant professor in Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Management and IT, Porbandar. I will be delivering concepts on human resource planning and development. Before starting lecture, functional area specialization, it's all about the human resource management, and subject name, it's all about the human resource planning and development. Before starting lecture, I would like to share my perspective on human resource planning and development, which was rightly quoted by former US President Ronald Reagan. The greatest leader is not necessarily the one who does the greatest things. He is the one that gets the people to do the greatest things. So let's discuss human resource planning and development, engage, produce and grow. Before I start, what is all about the implications, what is all about the global perspectives on the HRD, what are the basic objectives behind the human resource planning as well as human resource development. I just want to inform you that what is all about the human resource. Human resource refers to the talents and energies of people who are available to an organization as potential contributors to the creation and realization of the organization's mission, vision, value, and goals. Human resource planning and development, this word is divided into 2 parts. First, it is all about the human resource planning, and second, it is all about the human resource development. Human resource planning is the continuous process of systematic planning ahead to achieve optimum use of an organization's most valuable asset, that is quality employee. While human resource development is a process for developing and unleashing human expertise through organization and development, personal training and development for the purpose of improving performance. So human resource planning and development is a long process through which you can generate and develop your quality people. So let's start Module 4 under the subject Human Resource Planning and Development. Module 4 itself covers global perspectives on emergence of globalization, brief history of how globalization started. The first episode began around the mid-19th century and ended with the commencement of World War I. In both these episodes of globalization, rapid trade and output growth went together with major shifts in the relative size of the economic involved. In the 1990s, trade expanded again more rapidly, partly driven by innovations in the information technology sector. The most dynamic traders in the 1950s to 73 period were the West European countries and Japan. Despite the small contraction of trade caused by the dot-com crisis in 2001, the average expansion of world merchandise exports continued to be high, averaging 6% of the 2000 to 2007 period. Have you ever thought, what if things like WhatsApp, Facebook, Gmail and all other means of connectivity available today could have existed in earlier centuries? How would the entire international trade, people, goods and supplies would have been sold and bought? Or how efficient would people like Subhash Chandra Bose, Hitler, Mahatma Gandhi, etc. be If only they had mobile tablets, laptops, desktops to check news updates, weather conditions, radio frequencies, etc., to help them overcome the hurdles while fighting for our independence. This is what we call going ahead with globalization, like using a laptop which is manufactured in USA or having a chocolate which comes from Belgium. Various definitions of globalization. According to David Harvey, globalization is the compression of time and space. Yes, global perspectives of HRD. Global Human Resource Development, sometimes referred to as Global HRD, is an umbrella term that includes all aspects of an organization's HR, payroll, career development, and talent management process operating a global scale. Yes, these are the topics that are including in the heading of Global Perspectives on HRD. These are the main contents under the heading of Module 4. Yes, before we start, what is all about the I am just wanted to inform you all that these are the main 12 points with the reference to global perspectives on HRD. Through these 12 points, you can easily complete the syllabus of Module 4. So let's start. Let's move towards the implications of globalization on HRD. So topic 1 under the heading of Module 4, Global Perspectives on HRD, Implications of Globalization on HRD. When companies expand overseas to countries with a lower standard of living, they gain access to products and services at a much lower cost. Because of this, an increasing number of companies outsource. Although good for businesses, this can result in lower wages for workers. Global HRD refers to human resource development practices that deal with managing a diversity of workforce from all around the world. The impact of globalization on HRD are managing cultural diversity. Managing different employees from the different cultures in the same organization is a complex activity. These are the global impact on HRD with reference to global perspectives. Organizational change and knowledge management become more complex. Western motivation models may not apply. Demand for multilingual or multicultural training increases. Focus may be less on knowledge and skills than on power of relationships, awareness, mindsets, and personal networks. Talent management and retention increase in importance. Globalization is a non-stop economic process. Individuals, companies, or governments are always look out for new processes or innovations. HRD includes not only economic development and workplace learning, but it is also committed to the political, social, environmental, cultural, and spiritual development of people around the world. These are the factors affecting HRD with reference to global perspectives. First one, it is all about the cross-cultural communication, value awareness, survival confidence about living and working in different countries, handling cultural shock, and customer-employee relationship. Yes, this is the trending concept in HRD due to globalization. Yes. Through these are the basic trending concepts on which you can easily develop how to reduce, how to become a more complex, how to become a more valuable assets in your organization with reference to global perspectives on HRD. Reducing manual efforts. Yes, very important trend in HRD due to globalization. Yes, thanks to globalization, thanks to HRD. Basic example behind globalization, basic example behind HRD, it's all about the human resource, artificial intelligence or machine learning. These are the basic example behind the globalization with reference to advanced technology. So, reducing manual efforts is one of the most important trends in HRD due to globalization. Use of information technology, diversity in workforce, work-life balance, specialized application. These are the basic trending concepts with reference to globalization or globalization perspective on HRD. with the reference to HRD, you can easily develop your human resource, you can easily maintain your human resource, you can easily attract the human resource, you can easily develop the human resource from one place to another place, from one region to another region, from one country to another country. So this is the basic concept, this is the trending concept with reference to globalization, with reference to HRD also. Yes. I can sum up from the last previous slides. It's all about the, yes, what is actually it? Yes, impact of globalization, globalized impact on HRD. We have also referred different impacts on globalization with reference to HRD. We have also referred different types of latest trends with reference to global perspective on HRD. We have also referred what is all about the human resource planning. We have also referred what is all about the human resource development. It's a very rather new topic as far as your syllabus is concerned. So most important concept, I can say there is some important concept for exam point of view. So please, dear students, please focus on my line. Please, if in your examination, if the question is like that, write a short note on global perspectives on HRD, then you all are required to write down the global impact with reference to HRD. It also includes different impacts. It also includes the trending realities with reference to HRD on globalization. So this is the basic purpose, basic short note on in this particular topic number 1 under the module 4. And only one question it can be asked, like write a short note on global perspective on HRD. So this is the basic concept. You can also write down the emergence of globalization, but it is not a compulsory to write down in your examination. It is just for your more clarification. I just added the point. So globalization has a major impact on the management of human resource in developing countries like India. The role and responsibility of human resource departments are transforming as the modern business faces pressure of globalization. With fast-tracking globalization, organizations have had to change and new trends have set in even in the management of human resources. Globalization has forced organizations and their human resource to redefine their strategies. It is necessary for the management to invest considerable time and amount to learn the changing scenario of the human resource department in the 21st century. So this is the basic idea behind globalization as well as global perspective with reference to HRD. So here we are keeping up to this. In the next session we'll discuss the next topic, topic number 2 under the heading of module 4, global perspective on HRD.